So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have ordered a perfume of French Essence Luxury perfume. Let's see how it is. Okay, let's unbox this one.
रितेर के चली मैं तो पार चली, रितेर के चली मैं तो पार चली, पार वाले पर लेकिन नार चली रे मेघा नन्ना रे नन्ना रे नन्ना रे
This one is good. So I like this one, guys. This one is like vanilla flavor and so good, guys. Even this one is good. It's rose one.